These are the GM style tow mirrors from Boost Auto installed on my 2014 Toyota Tundra. I've had these mirrors installed for a while now, and in this video I'm going to share my experience with them from installation to real world use. I'll go over why I chose these mirrors over other aftermarket options, and I'll go over the pros and cons as well. Stay tuned to the end of the video to get my honest thoughts on these mirrors and whether or not you should purchase them. Short answer is yeah. There are plenty of aftermarket mirrors out there. It took a while for me to upgrade mine because I didn't want to downgrade to upgrade, if that makes any sense. Most of the other options out there aren't power folding, which came stock on my Toyota Tundra, and so if I were to upgrade to those, then I would lose that functionality. But when I found these from Boost Auto, they had every feature under the sun, and it would truly be an upgrade for my truck. Their website is super user-friendly, their customer service is great as well if you have any questions. Great thing too is if your mirrors aren't already power folding, so if that feature didn't come stock on your truck, you can actually get a wiring kit and add that functionality to your truck. You can get them custom paint matched by Boost Auto to the color of your truck. I just went with the black textured cap, it's just plastic. I didn't want any paint chips or scratches or anything like that. I didn't want to have to deal with that since, as you can tell, I go off-roading and stuff. But they've held up pretty well. Clean them, they're super easy to clean. And yeah, I just love the way they look on the truck. So for my particular setup, I went with the black textured cap, got the blind spot monitoring system, the low output floodlight, as well as a sequential turn signal with the smoke lens. I also did get them heated, so you can get the top and the bottom half heated as well. Helps out a lot in the winter when you've got frozen mirrors and windows and your windshield and stuff. I will say with the low output floodlight, I would have rather gone with the high output now that I've had these on the truck. I do have tinted windows, and when I'm reversing, especially at night, it's not as bright as I would like it. So if you're going to get the reverse lighting, I would go with the high output floodlight, especially if you have tinted windows. So the install, I would say, is intermediate. Definitely look up their guides and videos, and there's some other videos on YouTube that I followed as well. You can do it by yourself. I did it by myself. There is a part where you're holding the mirror, trying to bolt it down. It's easiest if you've got a second person to hold it up real quick. But other than that, you're ripping out the door panel, you're running some wires through grommets, through the doors, and then through the cab. So just take your time. It's hard to mess up, but you just gotta be careful. You don't wanna accidentally break any wires. Now for the pros and cons. I love these mirrors. I love the way they look. I love the functionality of them. They offer so much more visibility on the road, especially when I'm towing a travel trailer or my utility trailer. And they extend further than the stock position if you've got a really big trailer in the back. But honestly, I've been using them just fine in the normal position. All the functions and the features of the mirrors work well with the truck. I haven't had any issues with any buttons not working or any lights not working. Everything seems to be doing just fine. And you'll also notice in other aftermarket mirrors, there's some shakiness that could happen with the glass especially, but I haven't noticed any of those problems with these ones. Now, some of the cons, I will say these mirrors are on the premium side of aftermarket mirrors, so they are pricier. This setup is probably gonna run you close to $1,300, probably more if you decide to go paint matched, whereas other aftermarket mirrors are more affordable, but don't have as many features as these ones. The Boost Auto customer service team is amazing. They'll answer any questions you might have about mirrors, installation on the truck. They've got plenty of guides and tutorials on how to install them to your truck, especially if you want to add the power folding feature and you didn't have that stock. They've got great videos and examples on their website for you to follow. Now this next one is kind of a double-edged sword. On one side, you've got more visibility, more features, more functionality. But on the other side is that these mirrors are huge. The stock Tundra mirrors are pretty small, I'd say, and you can see around them just fine. But once you add these tow mirrors on, they're huge. So they're gonna block a little bit more of your peripheral vision. So I'd say that's the only other con, but honestly, the better visibility, the more functionality of these mirrors outweighs the cons. You know how they say, look both ways before you cross the road? Just make sure you look both ways when you drive. So overall, are these mirrors worth the upgrade? I would say absolutely. They look great, they have tons of features, and they're built really well. Yeah, they're a little bit pricier, but you're getting a great product backed by an awesome company. Shout out to Boost Auto. If you want to check these mirrors out for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below. As always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Try and get to them when I can. Check out some of my other videos on mods and upgrades that I've done to the truck. I'm really excited for some of the ones I've got coming in the future, so subscribe if you're looking forward to that. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.